Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have the brand new iPad 10th generation. So this is what the front of it looks like. Let's have a look at the back. So there it is there, iPad 10th generation, Wi-Fi 64 gigabytes, designed by Apple, California, assembled in China. On this side of the box just says iPad, Apple logo there, iPad. I got the blue color, so you can tell with the different color iPads, like the logos and the word is in different color. So which way should I open it? Let's see. Let's peel this off. There you go, there's one. Here's another one. And there's another one. So let's flip it back and we'll see if I can open the box. iPad boxes seem to be... Actually, that wasn't too bad. Sometimes they can be a bit hard to open. But here it is. Here's the iPad. But let's get to the iPad in a minute. Oh wow, so there's like a little indentation type yeah, so there's a little indentation like for the cameras or something. Let's have a look. So there's a little box, not box, sorry, there's a little user booklet thing. I think that's what it's called. Yep, there you go. So here's your plug. I think this is like oh, it's a 20-watt plug. USB-C. Oh look, it's even braided. Oh wow. USB-C to USB-C. It's actually braided. Can you see it? A braided cable. I think with the new iPhone 16 phones, they come with a braided cable. So this new iPad 10 generation comes with a braided cable. Good job, Apple. So I wonder if it comes with any stickers, because I know with the new iPhones, yeah, I'm not seeing any stickers. I think Apple this year they removed all the stickers, because I'm not seeing any. Yeah, they removed the stickers. Yeah, apparently they're trying to save the environment or something. Anyways, though, here's a little booklet about it. Yep, welcome to iPad. Tap to wake, control center, smart connector. So like, you know, top button with Touch ID, volume button, USB-C connector. Yeah, because this new 10th generation has USB-C. The iPad that I have is iPad 9 generation, and that has lightning, so... And this new iPad has no home button either, it's just all display. Very interesting, very, very cool as well. Let me put this back in its little... Oh wait, never mind. Sorry, my bad. Haha, I do have Apple stickers. Sorry, my bad. I thought Apple was trying to save the environment by getting rid of Apple stickers. Sorry, my bad. I do have Apple stickers. Okay. Maybe that's only with the newer iPhones. I think Apple must have just gotten rid of the Apple stickers. But I think with iPads, they, yeah. Right, anyways, I'll put this away. Let me peel this off. Which way? Oh, okay. I see. So you peel it this way. I'm gonna put the box like this, and then put the iPad on top of it, if I can. Why is it box? It doesn't want to. Hang on, it doesn't want to. Why do you not want to? Oh, this is so annoying. Sorry about this, guys. This is so annoying. Stupid box doesn't want to. It half closes, but doesn't want to. Am I doing it the wrong? I must be doing it the wrong way, maybe. Who knows? Yeah, as if. It just doesn't want to. Yeah. Try and figure. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just trying to figure this out, but I'm gonna have to try and figure this out later. By the looks of things, so it doesn't want to. How come I wanted to open, but didn't want to bloody. Yeah, it just doesn't want to. Yeah. Oh, finally. It decided to. Right, so let me put the iPad on here. Yeah, sorry if that took a while there. Anyways, let's peel this off. Oh wow, very nice. Now I'm gonna have to peel. Or do I just, oh. Oh wow. Very nice, very, very nice. Smells new too. I wonder if it's got any charge to it. But here it is out of its box. So there's your smart connector. And there's your volume button. Power button there. This has got quad speakers, so it's got 2 there and 2 on this side. Yeah, there's your USB-C port. So let's have a look on the back. Yeah, so here's a front camera. Yeah, it's a really reflective display for sure. There it is. Here's the back of it. It says iPad, Apple logo. There's a camera. I think this is that little silver thing underneath the camera. It might be a microphone. Correct me if I'm wrong. I wonder if this has got any battery. Let's turn it on. Ooh, it's got power. I'll just pause this. Oh, never mind. I was going to pause the video, but there it is. There's the iPad. 87% battery. Not bad at all. Anyways, I'll turn that off. But yeah, I mean, this color, it is just, really nice. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. The way it shines in the light too. This is a bit thicker. I wonder if I can Actually, I have an idea. I have my iPad 9 generation, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. I'll have to take it out of its case though. So just give me a moment to take it out of its case. Right, so I'm just gonna quickly do that now. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. So I'm going to show you my iPad 9th generation. Here's my iPad 9th generation. Yeah, it's got fingerprints and stuff. See, my iPad 9 generation has lightning connector and just 2 speakers on the bottom. Has volume buttons there, your power button. Oh, and this has a headphone jack. I just realized the new iPad doesn't even have a headphone jack. What the heck? Let's compare the size. Ooh, they seem to be... I think the 9th generation is a bit... Yeah, 9th generation's thinner, I think. I mean, it's still got the smart connector is a bit bigger on the 10th generation. Volume button's on the same, yeah. Power button, but the new iPad 10th generation is a power button and Touch ID button now. Because the iPad 10th generation doesn't have a home button, just like on the 9th generation has a home button. So this is like a, you press it, right, you know, and it's like, this is like a home button, but it's a Touch ID as well. Hey, like that. So, yeah. Yeah, such a nice device. I mean, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.